Hi everybody, here we are at the park playing with our inner and our outer child. I think this is outer child, isn't it, Amanda?
Outer child.
We're the outer child of the inner child. So good morning or good afternoon everybody. It's 12 noon. There's Amanda. Amanda's going to be doing a beautiful workshop this year, as everybody knows, at Simply Blossoming, that is. As everybody knows, our theme, because I've mentioned it 80 trillion times, is
love.
Wow, did you see that? I didn't say anything and you did it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like I'm your ventriloquist or whatever. So we are going to be focusing in, your workshop's going to be focusing in, Amanda, on the unit that houses our spirit.
That's right. So
AKA your
loving the body we're in.
Okay, is that possible?
Absolutely.
Do we?
Not always. And it's not always easy, but it's absolutely possible.
Okay, because I've seen so many girls, you know, I work with kids, and they're getting mixed messages. We're getting mixed messages. Yeah. We don't know which way's up or down or sideways, or how do we start to address how we feel about our shell, our physical shell?
So that's going to be a lot of what we're going to do in the workshop. We're going to have some practices that we're going to try, and you're going to be able to take these home and do them on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, so that we can start learning to cultivate love for our bodies. I think, you know, we all have that negative mind chatter, and it's learning to catch it and change the language and change that dialogue that we have with ourselves. You know, simply standing in front of a mirror and saying, oh, doesn't that, you know, shirt look great, instead of, oh, you know, I don't like how that looks.
Right.
So we're going to start small, but it's going to grow. And I think, you know, if you practice this, you'll be surprised what results will come.
And what's your journey been like?
Ooh, didn't know we were going there today.
Well,
So, it's
well, that's
definitely been a journey.
Well, that, you know, it's so funny because we chatted at a I think was it a Vino and Visions many moons ago, you said you had a vision of doing workshops for women. Do you remember that? Was it at a Simply Blossoming or was it at a Vino and Visions?
That might have been both.
Okay, and here you are.
Here I am.
You know, 3 years later, making your dreams come true.
Yeah.
We make everybody's dreams come true at Simply Blossoming. Just kidding, LOL.
Most, maybe not all, but most.
Yeah.
So, well, my journey is, you know, I definitely have carried around that little self-loathing monkey. Actually, mine felt like a gorilla, not just a monkey. And it's been a journey of going from deep self-loathing and body loathing to really learning to love my body and appreciating it for what it does for me on a daily basis. I mean, besides the fact breathing and doing all the functions it does automatically, but to allowing me to have some incredible life adventures in long distance triathlon, but even now, you know, going mountain biking or just going for a walk around the block. So it's been a journey, not fun, it's been painful, but certainly worth it.
Yeah. And you know, I know for me, body image was a huge situation. Okay, there's a child kicking his lunch bag. Every time I do these outdoor ones, some hilarious things happen. So last week it was a swan attacking a bunch of goslings, and today it's a kid drop kicking his garbage to the trash can. He's got his inner child going.
He does, and at least he's putting it in the trash can.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Anyway, so thank you very much, Amanda. See how short and sweet that was? So again, Simply Blossoming, October the 19th to the 21st, if you got your ticket yet, because the early bird deadline is closing May 31st at midnight. So we'll see you, and we'll see you, Amanda, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.